3D image making, talking AI image editing, shaking effects, text highlight effects, motion tracking, and many such interesting things we are going to learn in today's video. All of us know that editing is the major reason to keep the audience engaged. If you are a YouTuber, then you need to think about it. Going for a faceless channel is in trend nowadays. There are millions of faceless channels created in the past year, but one with the good and unique editing skills will survive and grow. There are many editing applications to use, but we are going with the Capcut application on mobile. So today, I am going to show you some recent trending and unique edits which can gain the attention of the viewers. So without wasting our precious time, let's jump into today's video. 3D image making. If you are my regular viewer, then you might have observed that I will be using 3D image effects sometimes in my videos. So let's learn how to do it. Firstly, import the image that you want to make 3D. So after importing, select the image and go for photo effects. Select 3D zoom option. It takes some 20 to 30 seconds, and after applying the effects, it looks like this. You can try for any of your desired images. So now let's learn the trending edit, which is talking AI image editing. For this, the material required is AI image, a setup background, and a talking mouth green screen. We will download the AI image and setup background in the Capcut application itself. Open the app and select the text to image option. Here you can express your desired images in terms of text. So we will write our desired image and select the YouTube ratio. And click on the generate option, so it will generate 4 images. If you are not satisfied with the images generated, then you can change the text, or else you can also regenerate the images. So we will take this image. As you can see that the generated image is not in HD, so click on the upscale option. This will make your image more clear. And after that, you can download it. So again, come back. And now we need one setup background image, so fastly I will generate one and download it. So now the AI image and the background is ready. Now we need a green screen talking mouth. For this, we will go and search it on YouTube. After downloading all the materials, come back to the Capcut application. Import the background, which you have downloaded. Now click on the overlay option and import the AI image download and fix it. Now import the talking mouth green screen. We need to remove the green screen. For this, go to remove the background option and select the Chrome key. Now keep this point on the green screen and increase the intensity level so we have our mouth ready. Now fix it as required. So finally, it looks like this. Highlighting the text. This is one of the cool and simple effects which is most commonly used. Just import the screenshot of the paragraph, go to the text option and select the draw option. Select the desired color. Right now I am selecting the yellow color, which is more often used to highlight the text. And now keep the size, hardness and opacity to 50. Now draw a line on the text which you want to highlight. After that, go back and select the animation option and select the blur wipe right. You can adjust the timing as required. Now let's understand how to add overlays and shaking effect. I will first import the background, and then I will select the overlay option and import the snow falling video. Go to the blend option and select the filter. Now it looks like this. Now let's add another overlay for more attractive effects. I will import the video downloaded, and I will blend it with the other images. Just watch the video carefully and try this process step by step. Now we will give some shaking effects to these images. Go to the video effects option and select shake. You can adjust it as much as required. So finally it looks like this. Import the video which you want to edit. Now add the text. So now I need this text to track this car. Simply select the text and go to the tracking option. Now keep the yellow point on the object which is to be tracked. Now click on Start Tracking. It takes some 30 seconds, and finally our object is being tracked. This type of lens animation is trending nowadays, so let's see how to do it. I have selected the background, and now I am adding the text. Just follow up the process. After arranging all the text, now export the video. Now come back to the same video and delete all the text parts. Now import the video exported and adjust it to the screen, and now select the video and go to the mask option and select the circle. I will adjust the circle size. Now I will give the keyframe in the beginning and another keyframes in the middle. Follow the same procedure. Now for making it more attractive, I will add the lens PNG and adjust it to the circle size. Now add the keyframes exactly where the circle has been moved. Now it looks like this. You can add a motion graph, which will make this even better. Select the overlay and go to Graphs and select the desired graph. Remember to select the same graph for the first overlay, otherwise it will mismatch. Just follow the step-by-step process by seeing this video and you will learn it easily. So these were some trending edits which you can use in your videos. If you have interest in these kinds of tutorials, then let me know in the comment section so that I will try to make more editing tutorials. And if you have liked the video, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Recently, I am observing that many viewers are watching my videos without subscribing, so please do subscribe and watch the videos. Until then, keep visiting the channel. I will meet you in the next video with another great content.